Do you want to know how you can change your location on your Upwork account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your location on your Upwork account. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser and go to upwork.com. After you go to upwork.com, make sure that you are logged in. So go ahead and hover around your profile, which is on the top right hand side, and click on account settings. After that, scroll a bit down and you can see location over here. Click on this pen icon on the top right hand side and then you can see the time zone, country, address and all of these. So go ahead and choose the time zone of your choice, choose your country, choose your address. You can change your address, you can keep the address number 2 and then you can change the city, the state, and you can also add your zip code or postal code. After that, you can also update your phone number and then click update. This way you can successfully change your password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.